Hey there! Welcome back to Learn with Emnet. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a double avatar. Yep, two versions of yourself, talking and interacting like you're seeing right now. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share the exact tool I use to animate myself, from talking and gesturing to even driving. Let's jump in and bring your avatars to life.
Hi everyone. You're not seeing double. This is exactly what happens when your avatar comes to life. And today we're showing you how to make your own talking, moving avatar, just like us. No mic, no problem, no limits either. Let's jump in and show you the magic. First, I went to 11 Labs to generate voices for both avatars. The new feature there lets you assign multiple voices to one script, which is perfect for this kind of project. So, I pasted in my script, then selected a voice for Avatar 1 and another for Avatar 2.
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there.
I browsed through a few options, found two voices I liked, and went ahead to generate the speech. 11 Labs gave me two voice files and I downloaded them.
Hi everyone! You're not seeing double. This is exactly what happens when your avatar comes to life. And today we're showing... Hi everyone. You're not seeing double. This is exactly what happens when your avatar comes to life. And today we're showing you how to make your own talking, moving avatar, just like us. No mic, no problem, no limits either. Let's jump in and show you the magic.
Now that I have their voices ready, I moved on to animation. To animate the avatars, I used Hilo AI. I actually animated the image 4 times. Why? Because I wanted to create different styles of interaction. 2 versions where Avatar 1 is talking and Avatar 2 is listening, and 2 versions where Avatar 2 is talking and Avatar 1 is listening. Once that was done, I moved to Kling AI to lip sync Avatar 2. Kling allows you to choose the character you want to sync. Then I used Dreamface to lip sync Avatar 1, Because from my experience, Dreamface can only sync one character at a time, usually the one on the left. I'm trying to keep this tutorial simple because honestly, it took a lot of work to pull this off.
Hi everyone. You're not seeing double. This is exactly what happens when your avatar comes to life. Exactly what happens when your avatar comes to life. And today we're showing you how to make your own talking moving avatar, just like us. No mic, no problem. No limits either. Let's jump in and show you the magic.
If you'd like the prompts I use to generate the avatars or animations, just leave a comment. I'll gladly share them. Now that all the pieces are ready, it's time to bring them together. For editing, I used Adobe Premiere Pro to combine the animations, but you can also use CapCut. I just prefer Premiere Pro because it's more flexible for me. I brought all the animated clips into the timeline. At this stage, you need to get a bit creative. For example, one of the animations had Avatar 1 talking, while Avatar 2's lips were moving slightly, but not in sync. Remember, Dreamface only syncs one character. I placed that clip on video track 1. Then I overlaid another version of Avatar 1 talking, same dialogue, with Avatar 2 sitting quietly and listening on video track 2. I used the crop tool to cut out Avatar 1 from the top layer, so you only see Avatar 2 from the bottom clip.
Double. This is exactly what happens when your avatar comes to life.
This gives the effect of both characters interacting properly. I repeated this process for Avatar 2 and added a few transitions to smooth it out. I'm trying to keep the video short, but honestly, this process takes effort. Here's the main idea. You can do the same thing in CapCut using the crop or masking tool. If you already know how to clone in CapCut, you can definitely make this work. And if you'd like to learn how to use Adobe Premiere Pro from scratch, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to help. Now you know how to animate and edit your double avatars. If you have any questions or need the prompt I used, just drop a comment. I'm always here to help.
Hi everyone. You're not seeing double. This is exactly what happens when your avatar comes to life.
As promised, the image and animation of me were made using Whisk AI and Kling AI for the lip sync. Now you know my secret. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Learn with Emnet for more easy, powerful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.